Dive into relaxation and fun at lazy rivers. For the whole family. The ultimate water attraction at water parks. Lazy rivers offer the perfect blend of relaxation and excitement, allowing you to unwind while enjoying the gentle currents. Grab an inner tube, lay back, and let the calm waters carry you away. Whether you are seeking a peaceful retreat or a day of family bonding, lazy rivers are the ideal destination. Soak up the sun, take in the scenic views, and create unforgettable memories as you float along these soothing waterways. Let's go exploring for the top lazy river destinations in the USA. Welcome to a great time. If you're looking for the best lazy rivers in the USA, get ready to embark on a thrilling aquatic adventure that promise ultimate relaxation and family-friendly fun. From water parks with lazy rivers to enchanting resorts, these destinations offer a perfect blend of tranquility and excitement. Drift along the gentle currents, surrounded by lush landscapes and captivating water features. Soak up the sun, splash around with your loved ones, and create unforgettable memories as you float along these remarkable lazy rivers. Get ready to experience pure bliss at these top lazy river destinations in the USA. River Run Resort in Phoenix, Arizona. Welcome to River Run Resort, the ultimate lazy river resort in Phoenix, Arizona. Dive into a world of family-friendly activities and unwind on our serene lazy river. Let the gentle currents carry you away as you soak up the Arizona sun. It's the perfect destination for a fun-filled family vacation. Typhoon Lagoon in Orlando, Florida. Discover the tropical oasis of Typhoon Lagoon in Orlando, Florida. Immerse yourself in the enchanting lazy river, surrounded by lush landscapes and thrilling water attractions. Dive into the crystal clear waters, and let the current whisk you away on an unforgettable adventure. Don't miss this magical Disney World water park experience. Schlitterbahn Water Park in New Braunfels, Texas. Get ready for a water park adventure like no other at Schlitterbahn Water Park in New Braunfels, Texas. Dive into the longest lazy river in Texas and let the excitement flow as you drift through exhilarating twists and turns. It's the ultimate destination for endless water park thrills and unforgettable family fun. Kings Dominion Soak City, Doswell, Virginia. Calling all water-loving adventurers. At Kings Dominion Soak City in Doswell, Virginia, you'll find the perfect kids-friendly lazy river to make a splash in. This amusement park is a haven for little ones, with a lazy river designed just for them. If you liked this video, please like and comment to let us know. Let their imaginations run wild as they float along in a safe and exciting environment. Get ready for a day filled with laughter, smiles, and unforgettable memories at Kings Dominion Soak City. JW Marriott, San Antonio, Texas. If you're looking for a splendid resort getaway in the heart of Texas Hill Country, look no further. Take a dip in the resort's relaxing lazy river and let your cares float away. With picturesque views, luxurious amenities, and a serene atmosphere, this resort is the perfect destination for a truly unforgettable escape. Get ready to unwind, recharge, and create memories that will last a lifetime at JW Marriott San Antonio Hill Country Resort and Spa. Come to the USA for an unforgettable experience. Mystic Falls Park, Las Vegas, Nevada. Looking for the ultimate lazy river experience? Look no further than Mystic Falls Park in Las Vegas, Nevada. This resort offers a perfect blend of lazy river relaxation and thrilling water park vacations. With one of the best lazy rivers in the USA, Mystic Falls Park promises unforgettable lazy river attractions for an unforgettable vacation. Dive in and make a splash today. Typhoon Lagoon, Orlando, Florida. Get ready for a tropical paradise at Typhoon Lagoon in Orlando, Florida. This resort is a haven for lazy river enthusiasts, offering top-notch lazy river resorts and unforgettable water park vacations. With its world-class lazy river attractions, Typhoon Lagoon is a must-visit destination for those seeking the best lazy rivers in the USA. Dive in, relax, and embark on an incredible adventure today. Schlitterbahn Water Park, New Braunfels, Texas. Get ready to beat the Texas heat at Schlitterbahn Water Park in New Braunfels. This incredible resort is renowned for its lazy river resorts and thrilling water park vacations. With its top-notch lazy river attractions, Schlitterbahn offers some of the best lazy rivers in the USA. So, grab your swimsuit and soak up the sun while floating along the coolest lazy river experience ever. Kings Island, Soak City, Mason, Ohio. Get ready for an unforgettable water park adventure at Kings Island, Soak City in Mason, Ohio. This amazing destination is perfect for lazy river enthusiasts. With its incredible lazy river resorts and thrilling water park vacations, dive into the excitement and experience some of the best lazy river attractions in the USA. Whether you are looking for relaxation or excitement, Kings Island, Soak City has it all. So grab your friends and family and make a splash at this incredible water park today. Aquatica Orlando, Florida. Get ready to make a splash at Aquatica Orlando in sunny Orlando, Florida. This fabulous water park is a haven for lazy river enthusiasts, offering incredible lazy river resorts and unforgettable water park vacations. Dive into the fun and experience some of the best lazy river attractions in the USA. Whether you are looking for relaxation or thrills, Aquatica Orlando has it all. Grab your sunscreen and get ready for an epic adventure along the coolest lazy rivers in town. Don't miss out on the ultimate water park experience. Tips for an unforgettable lazy river experience. Get ready to make a splash with these tips for an unforgettable lazy river experience. Whether you are a seasoned water park enthusiast or a newbie looking for some helpful tricks, we've got you covered. Number 1. Grab a float. To truly relax and enjoy the lazy river, be sure to grab a float or tube. This will not only provide comfort, but also allow you to effortlessly float along the gentle currents. Number 2. Sun protection is key. Don't forget to lather up on sunscreen. Spending time in the water can make you forget about the sun, but it's important to protect your skin from those powerful rays. Bring a hat and sunglasses too for extra protection. Number 3. Stay hydrated. It's easy to lose track of time while enjoying the lazy river. So, remember to stay hydrated. Subscribe and share and you will help us grow our channel. Bring a water bottle or take advantage of the water stations available at the park. Keeping your body hydrated will ensure you have the energy to keep the fun going all day long. Number 4. Plan strategically. Lazy rivers can get crowded, especially during peak times. Consider visiting the lazy river early in the morning or later in the afternoon to avoid the crowds and have a more peaceful experience. Number 5. Enjoy the scenery. Take a moment to appreciate the beautiful surroundings as you float along. Whether it's a tropical paradise or a serene natural setting, let the sights and sounds of the lazy river transport you to a place of relaxation and tranquility. Remember, the lazy river is all about unwinding and enjoying a carefree experience. So, sit back, relax, and let the currents guide you to a day of unforgettable fun and relaxation. There are great benefits of visiting lazy rivers for both relaxation and thrills. Perfect relaxation for all ages. Fun water activities included. Scenic views and beautiful landscapes. Get ready to discover the incredible benefits of visiting lazy rivers for both relaxation and thrills. When it comes to water attractions, lazy rivers offer a unique and enjoyable experience that sets them apart from other rides or pools. Here are some reasons why lazy rivers are the ultimate choice for all ages. Number 1. Perfect relaxation for all ages. Lazy rivers are designed with relaxation in mind. Whether you are a child, an adult, or a senior, you can simply sit back and let the gentle currents carry you along. It's the perfect way to unwind the stress and enjoy some quality time with loved ones. Number 2. Fun water activities included. While lazy rivers are known for their leisurely pace, many attractions also offer exciting water activities along the way. From waterfalls and sprays to interactive features and water cannons, you can still have loads of fun while floating along. It's the best of both worlds. Number 3. Scenic views and beautiful landscapes. One of the highlights of lazy rivers is the stunning scenery and landscapes that surround them. Whether you are in a tropical paradise or a serene natural setting, you'll be treated to breathtaking views as you meander along the river. It's like taking a mini vacation within a vacation. So, whether you are seeking relaxation or thrills, lazy rivers offer the perfect combination of both. Experience the joy of floating along, engage in fun water activities, and immerse yourself in the beauty of your surroundings. It's time to dive into an unforgettable adventure at the lazy river attraction of your choice. The future of lazy rivers. innovations and exciting developments to look forward to. Get ready to dive into the future of lazy rivers, where innovation and excitement collide. Lazy river technology advancements are set to take your water park experience to a whole new level. Say goodbye to the ordinary and hello to an extraordinary aquatic adventure. Imagine floating along a lazy river that is not only relaxing but also filled with futuristic surprises. Picture yourself gliding through tunnels adorned with mesmerizing LED lights, creating an enchanting underwater experience like no other. These innovative developments will transport you into a world of wonder and awe. But that's not all. Prepare to be amazed by interactive elements that will make your lazy river journey unforgettable. Imagine encountering waterfalls that magically change colors, or unexpected jets of water shooting up from beneath you, adding an element of surprise and excitement at every turn. The future of lazy rivers is all about creating immersive experiences that will leave you breathless. With advancements in technology, we can expect virtual reality integration, where you can explore different breathtaking landscapes while floating along peacefully. Furthermore, smart features such as personalized temperature controls and adjustable current speeds will ensure maximum comfort tailored just for you. No more worrying about feeling chilly or too warm. These innovative developments have got it covered. So, get ready for a thrilling ride into the future of lazy rivers. These innovations and exciting developments are set to redefine what it means to relax and have fun in the water. Get ready to be swept away by the wonders that await you in the world of futuristic water attractions. Embrace the lazy river lifestyle and create lasting memories. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to help us grow our channel.